In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear liftgate lift support on this Acura MDX. You'll have one of these located on each side of your liftgate. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. You're going to find that you have a liftgate support on each side of your liftgate. The process will be the same for either. Something that's important to mention is whenever you remove one of these, you're removing half of the support from your liftgate. You want to be extremely careful it does not come down and potentially hurt you. To start removing your liftgate support, you're going to find on either end, it does have a metal clip. You want to carefully pry that out of place. You can use a pick or a small screwdriver. We'll make our way directly underneath that and gently start pulling it out and away. You can fully remove this if necessary. Now that we have that out of there, we're going to pause here and remove the clip from the other side. The process for this one's the same exact thing. Just make your way under it, pry it out of place. Make sure you have your new lift support handy. We're going to have to hold up on the liftgate and continue on by lightly tugging these out of place. There it is, friend. Before you install, you want to make sure you clean and inspect both of the mounting points. You have one here on the body of the vehicle and the same exact thing on the liftgate. Now it's time to install our brand new liftgate support. Go ahead and take this, we'll get it in position and press it onto the mounting point. Once you hear a click, give it a little tug, make sure it's properly secured, repeat the process. Once you've completed your installation, go ahead and test the functionality by releasing the liftgate and ensuring it does not come down on its own. After that, go ahead and close the liftgate and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.